Today we are going to discuss about the different stages of protein synthesis. There are two stages of protein synthesis. One is the transcription and another is the translation. Here the transcription process, they are occurring the nucleus of the cell. Here in transcription, the mRNA is synthesized from dRNA. Here in nucleus, the replication of DNA also takes place, but there is a difference between replication and transcription. Replication means formation of exact copy of the strand of DNA. That is replication. And transcription means there is a formation of mRNA from DNA. That is, during transcription, the mRNA is synthesized from the one of the strand of DNA. This is the basic difference between replication and transcription. Now, after the completion of transcription, the mRNA, they are released into the cytoplasm through the nuclear pore. Then once it comes into the cytoplasm, the ribosome, they are attached to the mRNA like that. Ribosome. That is there are two subunits of ribosome, 50S ribosome, 30S ribosome. These two subunits, they are attached to the mRNA by the help of magnesium ion. Now, after the attachment of ribosome to mRNA, there is a formation of mRNA ribosome complex. mRNA ribosome complex. On ribosome, on the larger subunit of ribosome, there are three sites. One is the P site, A site and E site. E site means exit site. During the initiation, the first amino acid, that is the methionine, they are received on P site of the ribosome. And then after receiving the methionine at P site, the tRNA shift to the E site. Then this process of the receiving the first amino acid, that is, there is a beginning of the protein synthesis, hence it is called initiation process. Then as the initiation completed, the ribosome, they are shipped to the next codon of the mRNA. At the next codon, the tRNA carry the another amino acid and donate to this codon. After that, from A, it shifts to the P and finally P to E. Here, during the shifting, the first methionine, they are attached to the second amino acids. In this way, the addition of the amino acid goes continuously one by one, and there is a formation of polypeptide chain. In the polypeptide chain, the adjacent amino acid, they are attached to each other by a polypeptide bond. Here we must know that the first amino acid is methionine, but after the completion we observe that the methionine is the last in the polypeptide chain. The 70S ribosome, they work in prokaryotic cell in the protein synthesis, and in eukaryotic cell there is a 80S ribosome play an important role in protein synthesis. 80S ribosome made up of 60S and 40S subunit. As the elongation process goes from 5' to 3' end, on the mRNA there is a nonsense codon or stop codon such as UAA, UAG, UGA. Here, as the ribosome reach at this nonsense codon, the protein synthesis process stop. Means the receiving process of the amino acid is stopped. At this stage, we call them as a termination. After termination, the polypeptide chain, they are detached from the mRNA ribosome complex and it released into the cell cytoplasm, where it converts into the particular types of protein. After the completion of whole process, these components, they are separated and they are utilized for the next protein synthesis mechanism. In this way, the protein synthesis process is completed.